Introducing the YT9820, your ultimate solution for high-speed precision buttonholing. With speeds ranging from 2,500 to 3,500 stitches per minute, this machine is perfect for large-scale garment production, delivering both efficiency and impeccable stitch quality. The computerized control system allows for easy programming of buttonhole patterns, sizes, and stitching parameters. Customize settings like buttonhole length, stitch density, and cutting options with just a few taps. Designed for eyelet buttonholes, it ensures reinforced stitching for heavy-duty garments like coats and denim, providing durability and a clean finish. The automatic cutting mechanism delivers precise, professional results every time, saving you time and reducing errors. Wide shot of the machine in a production setting. Upgrade your production line with this model, where speed, precision, and reliability meet. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more.